Welcome to the sixth session of Management Accounting, fifth semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, we are going to discuss relationship between cost accounting and management accounting. Recap of previous class. In the previous session, we discussed the relationship between financial accounting and management accounting. Relationship between cost accounting and management accounting. Meaning of cost accounting. A method of accounting in which all costs incurred in carrying out an activity or accomplishing a purpose are collected, classified, and recorded. This data is then summarized and analyzed to arrive at a selling price or to determine where savings are possible. Meaning of management accounting. Management accounting is a field of accounting that analyzes and provides cost information to the internal management for the purposes of planning, controlling, and decision making. Nature of cost accounting. It is based on the past and present. Nature of management accounting. Management accounts lay emphasis on both future and present. Cost accounting, it is for a short period. Management accounting, do not concentrate on period. Legal compulsion of cost accounting. It is based on some predetermined principles and procedures. Legal compulsion of management accounting. There are no specific rules in management accounting. Data. In cost accounting, it is concerned about the collection, classification, and recording of the data. In management accounting, it is concerned with the analysis of the data. Scope of cost accounting. The scope of cost accounting is not as broad as management accounting. The scope of management accounting is broader than that of cost accounting. Emphasis of cost accounting. In cost accounting, the main emphasis is on cost ascertainment and cost control. In management accounting, the main emphasis is on decision making. Techniques used in cost accounting. The various techniques used by cost accounting are standard costing, budgetary control, marginal costing, cost value profit analysis, uniform costing, interfirm comparison, etc. The techniques used in management accounting is management accounting also uses these techniques but also uses techniques like ratio analysis, funds flow statements, statistical analysis, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.